Hi guys, my name is Bappy Hamed and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'll tell you how you can keep yourself updated with new computer vision research. So many people have asked me this question, sir, whenever let's say you try to prepare any kinds of content related computer vision. So what kinds of let's say resources usually follow? See, I personally follow one amazing actually website called blog.roboflow.com. Okay, so here you will be getting all kinds of computer vision related tasks. Okay, so let's say you want to know about how we can use our web camera, okay, with our let's say different model like YOLO V5, YOLO V6, V7, okay, 8 and so on. So it is having actually different blog. Okay, let's say I will open this particular blog, and inside that you can see all the detail, okay, all the detail actually blog they have written. Okay, so how you can use your web camera, okay, even all these steps see they have given. Okay, if you are looking for any kinds of code implementation, it is also available. So let me show you some of the example. Let's say I want to do instance image segmentation. So let's say you want to perform instance image segmentation. So simply you can open it up, you can read about okay what is instance image segmentation. Even you can also see their tutorial. Even you can see they have also given the actually training notebook, okay, like how you can train on top of the custom data. Okay, so all the collab file they have already given. So simply you can come here, you can learn like different things, let's say related computer vision, whether you want to learn about object detection, image segmentation, image classification, key point detection. Okay, every kinds of blogs are available. Simply you can search here. Even you can go through the entire let's say Roboflow blog. So you can click on view all. See, it will show you all the blogs, okay, they have. So this particular website you can follow if you're let's say interested in computer vision. So all kinds of actually computer vision related research will come here with the code example and everything. You can follow it. So apart from that, there is another website you can follow called paperswithcode.com. So here also you will be getting all kinds of research, but it is not related computer vision. You will be getting research related generative AI, computer vision, ML, okay, deep learning. So all kinds of research you will be getting here. Let's say you need computer vision related research. Simply you can filter out with the help of computer vision. Now if I search it, you will see different computer vision related research will come. Okay, so these two websites you can follow if you want to learn about new technology inside computer vision. So yes guys, this is what I just wanted to let you know. With that guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.